Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 7 businesses you can start as a beginner. We're talking about side hustles that can become full-blown empires, all with just a little bit of hustle and a whole lot of heart. Let's get straight to the point and help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes here, but legitimate ways to build something awesome. Stick around, because we're about to break down each business idea, step by step, so you can start today. Alright, first up we've got online tutoring. This is perfect if you've ever aced a test and thought, I could teach this. With the whole world going digital, the demand for online tutors is exploding. Think about it, parents are desperate for someone to help their kids with algebra. College students need a hand with organic chemistry. The opportunities are endless. Platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and even YouTube itself make it super easy to connect with students and start earning. We're talking $20, $30, even $50 an hour, depending on your experience and the subject you're teaching. So, if you're ready to share your knowledge with the world and make some serious cash while you're at it, online tutoring might just be the perfect business for you. Next up, let's talk dropshipping. This one's for all my hustlers out there who want to run a business without actually, managing a warehouse full of stuff. Imagine this, you sell a cool phone case online, but instead of shipping it yourself, the manufacturer does it for you. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. You create an online store, list the products, and when someone buys something, boom, the supplier takes care of the rest. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and even Amazon have made it crazy simple to set up shop and connect with dropshipping suppliers. The profit margins can be insane. You set your own prices, so if you find a hot product and market it right, you could be making bank faster than you can say a Lamborghini. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of e-commerce without the hassle of traditional inventory, dropshipping might just be your golden ticket. Alright, for all my wordsmiths out there, this one's for you. Freelance writing is all about turning your way with words into cold, hard cash. If you can craft a killer blog post, spin a captivating story, or write website copy that converts, then you've got a valuable skill, my friend. Every website, every business, every influencer needs compelling content. And that's where you come in. You can find freelance writing gigs in literally any niche imaginable. From tech to travel, fashion to finance, there's a client out there who needs your writing superpowers. Experienced freelance writers can command hundreds, even thousands of dollars per project. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner Hemingway and start earning money doing what you love, freelance writing might just be the perfect business for you. Okay, let's talk social media. We all love scrolling through Instagram, checking out the latest TikTok trends, and catching up with friends on Facebook, right? But did you know you can turn your social media savvy into a thriving business? That's right. Social media management is booming. Businesses big and small need help navigating the ever-changing world of social media. They need someone to create engaging content, run targeted ads, and build a loyal following. Think about it, you're already a pro at crafting the perfect tweet, snapping eye-catching photos, and writing captions that get likes. Now, imagine getting paid to do that for businesses. Social media management is a super flexible business. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, set your own hours, and choose the clients you want to work with. Experienced social media managers can command thousands of dollars per month per client. So, if you're ready to turn your social media obsession into a profitable business, social media management might just be the perfect fit for you. Alright, calling all creative souls. If you've got an eye for design and a passion for visuals, then graphic design might just be your calling. In today's digital world, businesses are craving eye-catching graphics to grab attention and tell their story. And that's where you come in, my friend. Every logo you see, every website you visit, every social media post you scroll past, it all started with a graphic designer. You don't need a fancy art degree to get started. There are tons of online courses and resources that can teach you everything you need to know. You can find freelance graphic design gigs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even Instagram. Or, you can build your own client base through word of mouth and social media marketing. Experienced graphic designers can command hundreds, even thousands of dollars per project. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity, work with exciting clients, and build a portfolio that showcases your unique style, graphic design might just be the perfect business for you. Alright, let's talk about being the ultimate business sidekick, the virtual assistant. If you're super organized, crazy efficient, and love the idea of helping entrepreneurs and businesses thrive, then this one's for you. Busy entrepreneurs are juggling a million things at once. They need someone to handle the behind-the-scenes tasks, the email overwhelm, the scheduling nightmares, the social media madness. Being a virtual assistant is all about having a can-do attitude, a willingness to learn, and a passion for organization. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, set your own hours, and choose the clients and tasks that light your fire. Experienced virtual assistants can command $20, $30, even $50+ per hour, depending on their skills and experience. So, if you're ready to be your own boss, work with inspiring entrepreneurs, and constantly learn and grow your skill set, being a virtual assistant might just be the perfect business for you. Alright, for all my crafty folks out there, this one's for you. If you've got a knack for creating beautiful, unique, handmade goods, then the world needs to see your creations. And thanks to the magic of the internet, turning your passion into a profitable business has never been easier. People are tired of mass-produced, soulless products. They crave authenticity. They crave originality. They crave something special, something made with love. Whether you're whipping up stunning jewelry, knitting cozy scarves, crafting rustic home decor, or painting breathtaking masterpieces, there's a market out there for your unique creations. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and even Instagram have made it easier than ever to connect with customers worldwide and start selling your handmade goods. You just need to find your niche, showcase your talent, and connect with the right audience. So, if you're ready to set your own prices, work from the comfort of your own home, and be your own boss, turning your passion into profit might just be the perfect business for you. There you have it, folks. 7 fantastic business ideas for beginners. We've covered everything from online tutoring to drop shipping, freelance writing to handmade crafts, and everything in between. Remember, the best business idea is the one that lights you up, the one that you're passionate about, the one that you can see yourself pouring your heart and soul into. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take action. Choose the business idea that resonates with you, do your research, create a plan, and take that first step. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new venture.